The main center of Christianity and the bathing water of nature, Cebu. Cebu is a large island in the Visayas region of the Philippines. Cebu is a province of the Philippines located in central Visayas and consists of 4 main islands and 167 surrounding island flats. Cebu City proudly holds the honor of being the country's first capital and the birthplace of Christianity in the Philippines, marked by the iconic Magellan Cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan himself in 1521. Did you know that Cebu City is home to the oldest fort in the Philippines? The historical Fort San Pedro, built by Spanish in 1565, stands as a testament to the city's rich colonial past.
These are the legacies of Cebu.
Negros Oriental, a laid-back province situated in the southeastern portion of Negros Island, Visayas, Philippines, surrounded on the north and west by its neighboring province. Negros Occidental, the province is a breathtaking mix of culture and modernizations. Dumaguete City is the capital of Negros Oriental.
This is the delicacy of Negros.
Bohol, an island province in the Philippines, is rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Bohol is derived from the word boho or bool. The island was the seat of the first international treaty of peace and unity between the native king Dato Si Catuna and Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi on 16 March 1565. Through a blood compact alliance known today by many Filipinos as the Sandugo.
This is the delicacy of Bohol.
Siquijor is a small island province in the central Visayas region of the Philippines. It lies southeast of Cebu and Negros, southwest of Bohol, and east of Mindanao. The island is surrounded by the Bohol Sea and is accessible by ferry from Dumaguete City, Cebu, Bohol, or other nearby islands. The history of Siquijor, pre-Spanish era, originally called Katugasan because of abundance of tugas trees. The island was considered sacred by early inhabitants due to its mystical traditions and natural beauties. Discovered in 1565 by Spanish explorers led by Esteban Rodriguez. Named Isla del Fuego, Island of Fire, because of the glow produced by fireflies seen around its forest at night. Became a part of Bohol in 1794 and later assigned to Negros Oriental. The province gained a reputation as a mystical and healing destination, known for herbalist, folk healing, and traditional practices. Siquijor is famous for its healers and festivals related to folk medicine, like the annual Healing Festival. Tourism haven, visitors flock to its pristine beaches, waterfalls like Cambugahay Falls, caves, and historic landmarks such as 18th century St. Isidore de Labrador Church in Lazi, smallest province in Central Visayas. It's the smallest in terms of land area and population.
And these are the delicacies of Siquijor.